Haiku is like sushi. It's very simple and delicious. We just need 575 syllables. And a season word. 5, 7, 5. Hi. Welcome to Sushi 575. I beg your pardon? You ask me why my sushi bar is called 575? Because it's a new concept. You write a haiku and me, I offer you a sushi. It's a good deal, isn't it? It's an all-you-can-eat restaurant. Yes, great, isn't it? You don't know haiku? Really? It's a short poetry form that born in Japan more than 500 years ago. It's a kind of poetry game. And as it is a game, there are some rules. It's very easy. First, a haiku should contain 17 syllables. That means 5, 7 and 5 syllables. Look at this haiku written by Basho. Second, a haiku contains a kigo, a word or an expression who symbolizes a season. But, be careful. You can put only one kigo in a haiku. For example, in this haiku of Basho, the word blossom symbolizes spring. It's very easy, isn't it? Now it's your turn. Order me something in the form of a haiku. No. What you have composed is not a haiku. Look at this. It's completely out of 575. And you putted 3 season words. Never. 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 I told you that you could put only one season word. Your haiku looks like this. It's awful. Disgusting. We only one kigo in a haiku, as we put only one type of fish on a single sushi. Never give up. Be confident. Let's try to make another haiku. Yes. Great. You made it. The cherry blossom. Would like to drink some rice wine. Sushi man, my friend. You respected the number of syllables. You putted only one season word. Congratulations. This is a welcome gift for you. Please enjoy it. And now, you understand the rules of haiku. So please come again. You're welcome anytime.